Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to my first ever Mint Mongoose unbagging. And here is Dexter, who is crying to get up to see what Mint Mongoose is all about. And so this is a new to me subscription service, and it is a jewelry subscription service, which I am so excited about. It's a woman and mom owned small business, which I am so excited to support. But I do want to say thank you so much to Mint Mongoose for sending this to me. I always like to give the disclaimer when something is sent to me for free. This is not a sponsored video, but I'm just so excited to share this unbagging. And what's also very exciting is that this is super affordable. So if you sign up for month to month, it's $16.99 with free US shipping. But you can also sign up for a 6-month, which is $14.99 a month, or a 12-month subscription, which would be $13.99 a month. Oh wow, and it gets even cheaper if you pay by the term rather than pay monthly. So it would be $13.49 for a 12-month or $14.49 for a 6-month. So I love that. I love a good deal, just in general. I just love a good deal in life, but especially with a subscription service. So a little bit more information if you're not familiar with Mint Mongoose. So I just told you the pricing. It's free shipping in the US, but outside of the US, it would be $10 shipping, so not too bad. And what's awesome is you can customize if you want silver, gold, or rose gold. I just said I liked all three because I really can't choose one of them. And then you can also customize for whether you have your ears pierced or not, which I do. So it's a monthly subscription, and what's really fun is that each month they announce one of the pieces and then the other two are surprises. And every 3 months you get a free gift. So they are saying maybe it's something like makeup, socks, which I think is so cute and exciting. And you can easily skip a month. Oh, and then they also have these great additions. So you can add on earring or ring subscriptions for only $3.99 a month. And you can also add on a t-shirt to your subscription for $9.99 a month. And I saw some of the designs of the t-shirts and they're really cute, like really stylish t-shirts. So to me, all of that just sounds so amazing, and I am so excited about this company. Without further ado, let's see what is in here. So cute, a little Werther's candy. And this is really nicely packaged, and I really appreciate minimal waste with the packaging. I feel like this is probably the most compact, minimal waste packaging I've received in a subscription. It gives you some tips for taking care of your jewelry. Oh my gosh, all of the pieces come with a lifetime warranty. That's amazing. When I love all of their necklaces come with length adjusting chains. Oh, and a really cute jewelry cleaning cloth. So this says the inspiration around the jewelry set. This month's set is inspired by the words beauty in the process. That's so sweet. And oh my gosh, these pieces look beautiful. Oh my gosh, just each little thing I pull out of this just makes me love this company even more. But so now in this beautiful envelope, which I am going to save this beautiful envelope. All right, let's pull out the pieces. So first, oh, I think I have 2 pieces in here. Oh, beautiful. Oh my gosh, this is an awesome deal. It says spend $40 on individual items in our online shop and receive your next box free. So mintmongoose.com is the website if you want to check out the shop, check out the subscription. Of course, I'm going to have this information in the description down below. And so here, so I have the rose gold version of what I think is the necklace. But so I think the collection is the same, but you could have either gotten the chain here, the details here, in rose gold, silver, or gold. And here I have the rose gold, which I absolutely love. And this is so cute. So classy, stylish, kind of dainty, but not too tiny. And here's the adjustable necklace chain. And so here you can see what that little bar looks like. And of course, now Dexter is barking. He hears some noises outside, but so cute. It's kind of got this marbled effect. I think this is so beautiful. And it's the type of design coloring that would go with anything. Next, I have, oh my gosh, the beautiful matching earrings. So these are in the same rose gold, same kind of look and design of the necklace. And I love a coordinating accessory set. I always struggle with how to show the jewelry, but I think you get the idea. But it's, even though it's a good size, it's not too heavy at all. Like, it's not going to be uncomfortable in the ears. And then the third piece, because I don't know if I mentioned, you get 3 pieces in your sets. Oh, and it's an adorable ring. I am so excited. This is so pretty. Oh, I can't. I'm like not super good with jewelry to know what this is called, but kind of like a braided looking chain, but it's also adjustable. So cute, so comfortable. Love that. A cute dainty ring that you could layer or just wear alone. So here you can see what that ring looks like. Oh my gosh. I love every single piece in this set. It is so beautiful. I should start wearing this ring, like have this be one of my daily rings that I wear. Maybe put it on my thumb. I love that since it's adjustable, I can choose whatever finger to put it on. I think I kind of like it as like a thumb ring. I'll have to play around with it, but I'm so excited. I'm gonna have this be like my daily ring that I wear all the time, but oh, I'm so excited. Thank you so much to Helena and mintMONGOOSE for sending me this. I absolutely love these products. They seem like such amazing quality, but even still, like there is a lifetime warranty on these. So even if years down the road something happens to your jewelry, they said that they'll make it right. So to just reach out, which I think is amazing. I just feel like you don't see that much with companies anymore. So when I see it, I'm like, wow, this company really stands behind their products. But oh my gosh, like every single piece is a new favorite for me that I can't wait to wear. The necklace, the earrings, the ring, absolutely beautiful. So of course, I would love to hear in the comments down below if you are subscribed to mintMONGOOSE, how your experience has been. If you are interested in signing up, I definitely want to hear about that as well. And as always, thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in my next video.